Okay, here we go. Hey, eyes up here. Eyes up here. Okay. We are going to work in this last unit on three-dimensional figures. And our goal is to be able to find the volume of three-dimensional figures. So today we're just going to work on classifying what these look like. Okay. Frick. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wait, you really?
No, I don't really. Excuse me. Okay, so a lot of you were able to figure out what a prism looked like, but I want you to understand what it really is. Okay, a prism has two bases that are parallel. Okay, so this right here is a triangular prism. The triangles are congruent, or excuse me, they are congruent and parallel. And then we have rectangles for the other sides. Yes. Okay. Versus a pyramid where we have one base and then all of the other sides meet up here at a point. Okay. So we have a bunch of triangular sides, and then we would call this a triangular pyramid because we have a triangle on the bottom. Well, we'll talk about it. Now, you did a very good job identifying what a cylinder looks like, what a cone looks like. Okay. I would say that a cylinder looks very similar to a prism. It just has circle bases. A cone looks very similar to a pyramid. It just has a circle base. And then a sphere, it looks like a ball. Okay. Where, like you said, the radius would be, whoops. Okay. The radius would be that distance from the center, but we're not going to necessarily worry about that right now. Okay. So let's look at this number one right here. Okay. Prism or pyramid? Prism with a 1, pyramid with a 2. Is this a prism or a pyramid? Prism. Okay, so show me your finger. Prism or pyramid? Prism or pyramid. Okay. This is a prism. Okay. Jada, what kind of prism?
Rectangular prism.
Okay. Now, I want us to count the edges, the faces, and the vertices. Okay. What do you think I mean by faces?
Like
one on top of
So basically all of our sides. So I have a rectangle up top and a rectangle down below. That's 2.
So like everything I could see.
Everything that you could see.
Are we counting the bottom then?
So we have the bottom and the top, we have the front and the back, and we have the 2 sides. So we have 6 faces. Okay. I'm going to jump over here to vertices. What do you think I mean by vertices?
Where they meet.
Okay, all of our corners. So let's count. I'm going to label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
8. 8 corners. Those are the vertices. Okay. And then I'm going to trace our edges in green. Does that sound good?
Yes.
So like this is one edge. And here's a second one.
Say it again.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm counting 12, my dear. I'm counting 12 edges. Okay.
What's your first name?
Wait, how's it 12?
You gotta count one.
Okay, so,
Oh,
all right. So now, in number 2, give me 1 finger for prism, 2 fingers for pyramid. Is it a prism? Is it a pyramid? 1 for prism, 2 for pyramid. Okay. Brady, why is it a pyramid? Brady, I'm asking you. There is 1 base. What is the base? You're right. What shape is it? Yeah, it's a hexagon. It has 6 sides. So we would call this a hexagonal pyramid. Okay. It's fine. We'll just call it a pyramid. Okay. I like how Brady said this with the help of Jada. This is a pyramid because there's only 1 base. Notice how there's 2 rectangular bases here, where here there's just 1 hexagon for a base. Okay. So this base has 6 sides, right? So we have 6 edges. Well, hold on. Pause. Yeah, well, let's talk about the faces. What are all the sides that we can touch? We can touch the bottom.
And then the side.
And then how many sides are there?
6.
Okay, so we have a total of 7 faces. Okay, we can touch the bottom, and then there's 6 triangular sides. Okay. All right, let's use our pencil and let's just make a dot on all of the corners. Okay, so Arislin says 7. Do you agree with Arislin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's talk about our edges. Anyone have a guess? 4, 5. So there's 6 edges over here on the sides. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This is what I want you to do. Only write the name of number 3, write the name of number 4, number 5, and number 6. Is it a prism or pyramid? For 3, 4, 5, and 6, write whether it's a prism or a pyramid. That's it.
No, I swear.
Miss Owen, did you just like get a new case for like all of them?
No, you see this?
So we got new computers today. Yep.
Are they still like macros?
Yeah.
Pyramid and prism.
Yeah, so I ordered a new case so it fit.
Too big. I need macros.
And then I got a new iPad.
You got a new iPad?
And so
Oh my god, talk about spending money. I didn't buy the computer, the iPad. iPads are pretty.
Wow, well,
expensive.
iPad.
So did you get
Right for the one?
Oh
Right for case we'll share it for like.
yeah, how they do
Not
that?
for the Raleigh.
Ugh.
The case played of the year on the, like, he played a year ago. And they got second.
That's good.
Jada, it's more than what you fucking have.
I haven't.
Okay, I like that I have some tables comparing. Can you compare what you wrote on those 4 with the people around you?
What did you get?
I got, so for 3 out of
Nobody's
no, not
looking at you.
rectangular, they're triangular.
Wait, you can see it again.
And prism.
I'm sure.
No.
Why is
What's number?
singing the
You want number 4, 5, and 6?
I'm talking about number 4.
So fun.
We did.
There's round 7 by
Four, I got prism. Did you receive them? No, for 5.
All right, eyes up here. Arislin, what do you think for number 3? Is it a prism or pyramid? It is a prism. Okay, what like really drew your attention to knowing that this, okay, so we have 2 triangular bases. So we would call this a triangular prism. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. In number 4, Bronson, is this a prism or a pyramid?
That's a prism.
Okay. What kind of prism do you know? What are the bases?
Rectangular.
No, they're a pentagon. This is a pentagonal prism. Yeah. Yeah, that's 5. Okay. Corin, what's number 5? Pyramid or prism? This is a pyramid. Okay. What kind of pyramid? This would be a rectangular pyramid.
What are you talking about?
The
How are we
base,
supposed to know?
you don't need to.
Then why are we learning?
I need you to tell the difference between a pyramid and a prism. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, what about this?
That's a pyramid.
This is a pyramid. So since this is a triangular pyramid, it's actually called a tetrahedron. You will never need to know that. Just a fun fact. Just a little bit. This is so mean. Okay. Let's talk about this tetrahedron.
Can't say the word.
I watched too many soccer games in the wind. Okay. How many faces are on this pyramid?
3,
4.
So we have the bottom, and then we have the 3 sides. So we have 4 faces. Okay, let's count our vertices.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 4.
Where are you getting 5?
Okay, and if we count our edges, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Good job, Jada.
Oh, he went there.
All right, let's go up to number 3 and let's count those faces and whatnot. Okay, and number 3, we have 2 triangle bases, right? So we have 2 triangle bases, and then how many sides?
3.
Yeah, so a total of 5 faces. That's what you said originally, Brillia. Yes. Okay. Let's count our corners. Here's 3 corners. Here's 3 corners. So we have 6 corners. We have 6 vertices. Yeah, you guys are being really nice.
I think you need to like. There's 9.
All right. She says 9. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So if it helps you to like actually trace them so you know which ones you've already counted, I think that would be a fabulous idea. Maybe even if you wanted to use like a highlighter of some kind as you did your homework, which is on page 3, numbers 1 through 6. What is happening?